So generationally renting. Grandmama rented, mama rented, I rent. When you walk away from that property, how much profit do you leave with?
Zero.
How much ownership you leave with?
Zero.
How many tax advantages?
Zero.
How much equity? You walked away with zero. But what you didn't realize is someone could have told you when you were 16 in high school. Or what our families could have taught us had it not been illegal for our great-great-grandmothers to read and write, or to own land, or to own businesses, or got ran out of Mississippi up to Chicago from the KKK. Had that not been our circumstance, we may have been able to pass this message along generations ago. It's up to us to be the new family CEOs with a new message, a new vision for our family, and to pass these strategies down. So you have to be the new leader and visionary for your last name, because majority of our family patriarchs and matriarchs didn't have all the information, all the pieces to the puzzle. And so it starts with you, then your family, then us as a community.